Hey my lovely Gochians, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create viral shorts, and I'm also going to be sharing with you the strategy that I use for my short creation that has helped me to make over $200 in about a month's period, right? And yeah, basically helping me get increase in revenue on my YouTube channel every day. And trust me, it's just my shorts that's giving me this revenue. And I'm about to show you the strategy. Just stay with me, okay? Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to YouTube. All right, I'll go to my YouTube app and I'm going to show you how I do. Okay, before I go into that, let me tell you what my strategy is actually. So I create I batch create my shorts, and I have days for creation. I have the days for creating long form videos, and I have days for creating my short videos. So I create my short videos every Monday. You can pick any day of the week that is suitable for you, but I do mine every Monday, and I create for both my channels, right? And then the next day, Tuesday, I go into batch creating long form videos for this channel and also for my lifestyle channel, right? So now this is strategy I use for my shorts. I like to create multiple shorts and schedule them, and then also have enough in my drafts. The idea or the goal is to never run out of a short content on my channel, right? So making sure that before what I have scheduled, all the shorts that I have scheduled is out to the public, I should have another batch that should go up. You understand? So that's the idea, making sure you do not run out of shots so that you have shots every day. Like I said in one of my videos, right, when you have a posting strategy and you have a scheduling strategy that the algorithm gets accustomed to, it treats you as a business partner, it treats you as a customer, you treat it as a customer, meaning that you're supplying content to it every day or every time at every day, depending on what your own schedule is or what your plan is, right? So the algorithm gets accustomed to that and gets used to that. So it knows that, okay, on so time, this channel has a shot ready for me to push, so, it becomes a system, a working system for you and for the algorithm. So that's why you have to avoid a no post day. Okay, so you have to try as much as possible. I know it's not easy, but yes, I mean, we're all human beings. So when it comes to a time where you're probably sick, under the weather, then we understand that. It means that when you come back, you're just going to work twice as hard as you worked before, but you give it 1 week and to pick up again, right? So, but the idea is never run out of a post. So that is why I batch create, and I have lots of shots that are scheduled on my channel, and then I have a lot in my draft. Okay, so this is how many shots that I create. You can decide to pick your number. It works as long as you have a video that goes up every day. That is fine. So for me, my strategy is having 4 shots every day at different time of the day. They go out at different time of the day, and for me to be able to achieve that, to have 4 shots that I schedule throughout the entire week, I create as much as possible for both my channels. Now this is what I do, right? I bring out like 6 outfits and I make 6 shots for each outfit. So until I have completed 6 shot creation for one outfit, I do not go to switch to the other outfit. It must be 6. Sometimes I even forget and I do more than 6. But yes, the goal, the deadline is 6 shots for each outfit. And then I go and change. I come out to the other outfit. I create 6 shots for that outfit. And that's how I do. I create for 6 outfits, meaning that I make 36 shots for one channel, and then the other channel the same thing, 6 outfits, 6 shots per outfit, 36 shots per day. So in that one day, which is Monday, I create 72 shots for both my channels. I start my creation by 12 noon on Mondays, and because I have to create so much, I end up finishing creating by around 10 p.m. So now that is quite much, but it's worth the effort. Like when I did it the first time, and I just spoke to myself, and I spoke into my shorts, into my video, and into my channel. I said this effort will not be in vain. And guess what? That very first batch of creation for revenue generation was what got me my $100 in less than 2 weeks. So that effort was indeed not in vain. So I take my time and I'm very intentional about it with the outfit that I put on, the my costume. I hardly wear makeup, but yeah, I definitely make sure that I look good. My hair is good. My outfit is good. My jewelry is good, and all of these things has actually helped get traction for me because I hear people comment on how I look and all of that. Yeah, and then when I'm not doing too much, I still make sure that I look presentable. Like when I want to use, like I did, there's this last batch I created now for this week. It's, I call it the what do you call it, the ninth wear edition. Yeah, the ninth wear edition, because all of the shots I created in this week, the 36 shot for my lifestyle channel, I wore different ninth wear outfits and just made sure that I looked okay with them. I looked presentable with them at least. So yeah, the week that shot is going to go out, you are going to understand that this is actually a theme for my shot for that entire week. So yeah, that's the strategy that I use, and I end up scheduling 4 per day. They go at the same time every day for the entire week, and that 36 shot actually do spread into like almost 2 weeks. So that way I never run out of shots. Do you understand? Okay, so now for the type of shots, sometimes when, because I have so much shots to create, I do not take my time to start going to you know to start having to go to the short feed. But that is what you should do. Actually, you should go to the short feed and search for viral shorts, or search for warm hearting short, or search for trending short, and when you see them, you can now recreate it. But what I do to save time, because I have so much to create, I just go to my, I have people that I always mention in most of my videos, that Rose Ngaji is one of the people that inspired me to create shorts. I also have a sister who is also a creator here. I just go to their channel. So now I'm on my YouTube app right now. Okay, so, and you can see they're already there. This first shot you see here is my sister that I'm talking about, and then this second shot is my friend Rose. So I'll just go to Rose's channel to check out. Okay, I have to reduce the volume. Yeah, so I'll go to her channel now and check out I'll check out her shots and look for something that I can use. Okay, so look at this one with her facial expression here. I can recreate this one. I think, let's see, let me increase the volume a bit.
Woke up this morning.
Okay, this is actually something that can be relatable to my followers on this channel. It's talking about checking out your videos and seeing that you have views, but few likes. This is something that is relatable to growth, YouTube growth, or content creation. So let's watch me now recreate this particular shot. Okay, so for you to do that, you're going to click on this icon at the bottom here. Click on it, and it's going to tell you use this sound. Okay, so you click on use this sound, and then you're going to see, so there's a timer here right now, right? The timer, I always click on the timer. So when you click on the timer, it gives you the chance to rehearse it. So guys, please note that when you are creating your short, you have to be very intentional with your lip syncing, your acting skills. All of this must be on point, because to be honest, the fact that my lip syncing is very good is one of the reasons I'm getting views on my short, because I get people comments on it. So you have to be very intentional. The only reason I'm creating this casually is because I'm doing it live on set. So please, when you're creating yours, be very intentional. So you see, I have done this, and what I'm going to do next, I will click on this next, right? Because I don't want to post this because of course I'm just trying to show you guys what to do. I don't want to post this yet. I might post it, but first I'll just click here, and then I'll come here to draft, and I'll save it. You can just click on draft straight away. When you're not ready to post it, you come and put your caption, your title, your hashtags, and everything you want to do, your description. But you can do that before saving to draft. You can also just go ahead and save to draft, and when you are ready to post, you do all of that. So I'm going to just click on save to draft. Okay, and then when I go to my draft, right, it should be right there. So you click on videos, and I'm going to go to my draft, and I'm going to see it right there. You can see it's there amongst other videos that I have in my draft. So this is how I do. This is how I create my shorts. I just do create multiple of them. Now, if you are creating creative shorts, that's how I like to describe the shorts that I create on this particular channel. So they have to be shorts that I have to find a way to link to my niche or to what I do as or to my personality as a coach, right? So if you are doing that, it means you're going to have to take your time to actually scan through short. You don't just put any shot because not all of them can actually, can actually be connected or linked to your niche. Do you understand? But if you're creating for your lifestyle channel, like my other lifestyle channel, I just do what is trending. I don't really necessarily have to make it attach it to any niche per se, right? It's a lifestyle channel. That channel is more like an entertaining channel. So I do all of the acting, lip syncing, and the viral shot, and I just so create multiple of them, schedule them, have some saved in your draft, some leftover in your drafts. Make sure you do not run out of posts. That is my strategy for shorts creation. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll be there to respond. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and join the Gochi family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Claque.